Okay, guys, so we're going to start off with what we need. We have the Quick Blue L'Oreal bleaching powder, and then we also have 40 volume cream developer, gloves, and you're also going to need an applicator brush to put the bleach and color on. Now we'll also be using Adore hair color. Now I used 5 bottles of color. You guys, you do not need that much color. I used Cajun spice, cinnamon, and then another cinnamon. And then we have copper brown. I used half a bottle of that. And then I used paprika. So again, you do not need 5 bottles. It was way too much. But here's the hair. It's 4 bundles and a lace closure of Malaysian Wavy from bluehalo.com. And the blue is BLEU. So we're going to start by spreading the hair out, and I just have it on a trash bag here, and I'm going to brush through it just to make sure to get all the kinks out and to make sure it's spread evenly. Now I'm going to start off with 3 scoops of bleach. Of course, you're going to need way more than this. This is just to get me started, and I'm not going to show the entire bleaching process. It's just like you bleach everything else. You mix the developer with the bleach, mix it till you have a good consistency, and then apply it through the hair. So I'm going to fast forward and let you guys watch this. Okay, so this is the beautiful color that it came out after letting that bleach sit on the hair. I let it process for about 30 to 40 minutes. To be honest, you guys, I ran out of 40 volume developer and the beauty supply was closed. So towards the top, you can tell it's not as light because all I had was 10 volume developer. So I used that towards the top and let it sit. But hey, it worked out perfectly. And it's this beautiful gold. So the first color I mixed was Cajun spice, and I used an entire bottle of that. And again, you guys, you do not need all of these colors. I had way too much color, but better safe than sorry, I guess. The next color I used was cinnamon, and I used an entire bottle of that. I actually used 2 bottles of cinnamon. Yes, 2 bottles. I think you guys will get away with 1 bottle of cinnamon. Even if you do have 4 bundles like I do, 1 bottle of cinnamon is more than enough. And then I added an entire bottle of paprika, and I poured that in. And then I had the copper brown. I only used half of the copper brown. I did not use all of it, and really not even half. I just used a splash. And then I mixed it all together real good. And then the rest, you guys, I just put it on the hair. I saturated the hair very, very thoroughly, and I let it sit for about an hour and rinsed it out. And that's pretty much it, you guys. So hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. That was just a quick short tutorial on how I got this beautiful color. In the light, sometimes it looks red, sometimes it looks copper, sometimes it looks burnt orange, but I don't know, it's a nice highlight. If you guys can see, I absolutely love this hair. But yeah, it's beautiful. I'm gonna turn around to the back so you guys can see it. And this hair is from www.bluehalo.com. Blue is spelled B-L-E-U. Their Instagram is Blue Halo Hair, B-L-E-U, Halo, H-A-L-O hair. I have in 4 bundles of Malaysian 18, 20, 22, 24, and a 16-inch lace closure. And again, custom color. It is on a unit. If you guys try this color, please let me know. Tag me in it at krenee__. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. Hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials and more videos. And I hope you guys enjoy.